Finally, the Don has come back to Life of a Don. And today we're doing 2 videos, Life of a Don episode 7 and how to get contracts. But right now, I'm about to pick up this sofa and I got some paint I gotta get. So let's get into it. We ain't gonna waste no time. The numbers is up, the subscribers is up. I appreciate each and every one of y'all. Keep sharing the knowledge. Let's keep building together. A lot of people gonna come over here and fugaze on the YouTube, and we not doing none of that. We gonna keep it 1,000% authentic. That way, I'm gonna keep getting blessed for making sure that I ain't lying to y'all and setting y'all up for nothing terrible. My job is to make sure y'all don't go through what I go through and to not make the mistakes I made and make as much money as y'all can. So let's get into it. I just got done unloading sectional. People, when they're ordering, they have to make sure that they understand their measurements. The guy couldn't fit the sectional in his basement, and I tried my best. So, you know, if you're a customer and you're ordering, make sure you do your measurements, because it's not on me or anybody else. We're still gonna get paid no matter what for delivering it. So I don't know what he's gonna do to get it back, but you know, that's on him. But moving forward, right now, I'm going to pick up 25 gallons of paint and deliver that. $4 miles, $50, quick run, bill lending. You see, normally I would ratchet strap the paint a little bit better, but it's 4 miles. 4 miles for $50. I'm not mad at that at all. So when I'm doing Life of a Don episodes in real time, a day in a life, I want to always give you guys some type of lesson from my experience. So I got pulled over because I didn't have updated my inspection. I thought I had a year to do so, but that wasn't the case. So make sure y'all get y'all inspection done, because even though I can plead not guilty and get it done before the court date, I still gotta deal with that and go through the process, all because I didn't do what I was supposed to do. So make sure you do what you're supposed to do, because now I gotta take time out my day to handle that when I could be getting more money. So that's my lesson of the day. Get your motherfucking inspections done. So that was 4 miles for that delivery. It was $50. I have another one similar to that that's next. I dropped off at a site where a bunch of kids were at. Guess they got out early, so parents was parking in the way of the construction. So that was a pain in the ass. So one thing about delivering, you never know where you're going to deliver to. So, you know, just gotta make it happen. And I don't like getting people's faces in my videos. It keeps me from people reporting me and stuff like that. So I couldn't show you the drop, but you know, let's see if we can see if I can show you the drop for the next one. Yep.
As time goes by. It's been a long time.
Another 25 gallons. It's 9 miles for $50. So that's $100 for 13 miles. So I did 13 miles, got $100 for that. The other order was $115. I did they're like 17. So Under 40 miles, I reached $215. And this is why that I don't go over the road. Situations like this. Now, if I take some small, simple car orders, that could be $30 to $40 per situation. Now I'm up to 300. So it's like simple math. And I ain't put no gas in here today, but if I did, it'd probably be like $25 in my cargo van to get me right. So this is the reason why I prefer to do what I'm doing, because it's all about, you know, under 40 miles loaded for 200 plus dollars. Can't beat that. My day is over or slowed down, so let's do some simple math. So far today, I've driven 30 loaded miles and made $215. The first run, that sofa, was 17 miles. The second run was for 4 miles. That was $50. And then the third run was for 9 miles. That was another $50. And that averaged out to the $215. Now, the day before that, I was offered to go to New York, and that was over 100 miles, and then you have to pay for tolls, and then deadhead back for $200. The day before that, I was offered $500 to go to Virginia. That's more mileage and deadhead back. Instead, I choose the 30 miles loaded for $215, and I still got the rest of my day. It's only 1 o'clock. It's 3 hours left to get busy. Actually, 4. So this is why I prefer to stay local, because I have less gas, less wear and tear. The money on my tolls stay a little bit longer. I didn't put gas in my van today. I didn't put gas in my van the last 3 days, to be honest with you, because I'm making sure that I'm not just taking everything that comes my way. It has to make sense. And you have to be able to communicate with whoever you're partnership with and do business with, that, yo, I'm not going to do everything, because I can't run my van to the ground if it's not lucrative, if it does not make money. You cannot mistake movement for progress. You feel me? So, yeah, it's life of a dime, man. 215 for today, 30 miles. I could make more, who knows? But the point is, $215 for 30 miles is a great joint. It's a great situation. If you're blessed enough to make more, then cool. You know, normally I do make more, but the fact of the matter that 215 for 3 trips, and they're under 30 miles or at 30 miles, rounding up, can't beat that. So it's your boy. I'm here to get y'all the understanding that you want to make sure you pick and choose wisely of what you take out here if you have the option. All right.